My name is Landon Funston. I'm a Senior Managing Director at FMI in our investment banking group, and I've been a FMI veteran for 28 years now. So there were three major trends that we saw, and probably the largest one, the most interesting one, was the shift away from family businesses. That was the first time in 14 years that we've been doing this survey where there's been a dichotomy between the larger firms and the smaller firms. That was very, very interesting and surprising. The second major trend that we saw is an increased number of firms who are considering an ESOP as their manner of ownership transition. Typically, again, since 2003, it's been around 5% or so, and we've seen a market increase this year in firms that are considering an ESOP. And then lastly, and I think it was a bit of an anomaly from the 2013 survey, in that survey, we saw 17% of industry firms considering selling to a third party. That's reverted back to the norm in our 2017 survey, where about 7% of firms are considering a sale to a third party.
My name is Jake Appleman. I'm a principal at FMI, and I lead our succession management discipline. Because the industry has recovered and the market has gotten stronger, many of our clients have been less focused and less urgent on working on the transfer of the business. So I think many of them have been distracted. And the other difficult factor is that the baby boom generation who's making transitions is a critical factor. Time is not on your side in these transitions. So I hope the owners who read this data, see the survey information, we hope that it's a real driver for urgency, that these things take time. You have to start early in order to have the maximum number of options. And waiting can be very dangerous and be high risk because most of the owners we work with, vast majority of the net worth is tied up in these businesses. And so there's significant equity risk, legacy risk, and ability to build an enduring organization, which is really what's at stake.